Hey, my name is Shannon Blankenship, and here is my audience. Today I'm doing my speech on FEMA. FEMA stands for the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The agency's primary purpose is to coordinate the response to a disaster that has occurred in the United States and that overwhelms the resources of local and state authorities. According to FEMA.gov, FEMA has 7,474 employees across the country, 10 regional offices, the National Emergency Training Center, and other locations. FEMA is their first response to many natural disasters such as hurricanes, droughts, earthquakes, floods, tornadoes, tsunamis, volcanoes, wildfires, and even winter storms. There are many ways one can get help in a state of emergency. Disaster emergency communications applies to those technical means and modes required to provide and maintain operable and interoperable communication before, during, and after presidentially declared emergencies, disasters, or planned national special security events. Emergency communications covers all technical means and modes for public safety agencies at all levels of government. For example, law enforcement, fire services, and emergency medical services can all help respond to a disaster. FEMA implements the Crisis Counseling Assistance and Training Program as a supplemental assistance program available to the United States and its territories. It is authorized to fund mental health assistance and training activities in presidentially declared major disaster areas. The Center for Mental Health Services, Emergency Mental Health, and a Traumatic Stress Services branch works with FEMA through an interagency agreement to provide technical assistance, consultation, and training for state and local mental health personnel, grant administration, and program oversight. Ready.gov has safety tips about floods and other natural disasters. It has made a simple family emergency plan to better prepare people and their families. According to nationalservice.gov, FEMA and the Corporation for National and Community Service have launched an innovative partnership to establish a FEMA-devoted unit of 1,600 Service Corps members with an America Corps, National Civilian Community Corps, solely devoted to disaster preparedness, response, and recovery. This partnership builds on historic collaboration between the two agencies and will enhance the federal government's disaster capabilities, increase the reliability and diversity of the disaster workforce, promote ethics service, expand education and economic opportunity for young people, and achieve significant cost savings for the American taxpayer. Members are based at one of the 5 regional campuses and travel to complete services projects throughout those regions. There are also many ways to find assistance and resources at disasterassistance.gov.